Hi, today I thought I would just do a quick example intro video because I have a feeling that I'm going to be talking about some things in the future and I want to be able to refer back to sort of getting started type of content. So on the left side of my screen here, we can just make this big, is the agent chat UI from Langgraph. You can download this. It's open source, so you can use this and do whatever you want with it. Very, very good. You can build whatever product you want with this. And this is basically your standard like chat UI that you can then hook up to your agents. And then what I also have over here, I will link to the Git repo for this. This here is another repository which has a bunch of different types of agents. Let me make this a bit bigger. We have memory agent, React agent, research agent, so on and so forth. And these are different types of agents that you can work with. Today we're going to be using the React agent because this is the most basic one. So you can just fork both of these repos, pull them down, and then they're pretty easy to sort of get started. pm install, pm dev, you're done. So let's do that. So this is the agent UI now. So let's run dev on this. And this is going to, if I click on this is going to open up a little UI. And there's actually a screen before this that doesn't get loaded, and you can see here it's not connecting to localhost, but we'll fix that in a second because we can come over to our agent. Let me move myself over here to our agent directory, and we can run dev, and then away we go. So now this is running the actual AI agent backend, and then it opens up Langsmith. But anyway, so now if we refresh our agent chat, you can see the errors go away, and we can say, "Are you alive?" You can see it's pinging over here, and it's doing some stuff, and then it says, "I'm not alive," and the way humans are. But let's go and actually have a look a little bit over here in the code and see what's happening here. So this is the graph, a graph structure. I'm not going to go too much into this. I'm just going to find the prompt. So look, here's the prompt. So if we change this prompt, we can, so let's say I'm an AI assistant to help Ben make a YouTube video better. Please give him a list of topics to cover in the video. Let's just stop there. And let's come back over here. I'm not sure if this is going to have to restart. Let's see what happens here. Let's restart it just to make sure that it's sort of updating everything. Let's refresh our chat window. Maybe we'll start a new thread even. Let's see, can you help me? I need some ideas for a video. It is on Langgraph. Yeah, I'm not really sure if this is the best prompt. I probably, okay. Anyway, so it's tried to use this Tably tool, which is a web search tool which comes baked into this particular repository. So we can sort of turn that off. But in any case, it's giving me some output here. I'm not convinced that this prompt is actually working. So let's just add something like Every time you respond, make sure you use an emoji. Respond. Okay, let's see. It did something over here, so let's quickly write. Can you help me? Okay, now it's using emojis, so it seems like that prompt is working. I want to make a video about Langgraph. Sorry, I really shouldn't be. Okay, so you can see it's using emojis here. So what I wanted to demonstrate with this video is that you can fork these two repositories, pull them down to your local machine, add a Langsmith key, add an OpenAI key, and you can start building custom sort of chatbots and whatever you want straight away. It's not particularly hard to do that. I mean, if you put a sign-in and a payment link in front of these, link it up to some sort of unique data that you might have, you can start building things that can make real businesses straight away. So I will link to these repositories so that you can go and have a chat with them. And I might do another video using the tools that I have here, and I'll build something a little bit more, not complex, but with a bit more of a concrete use case that you can dig your teeth into. But I just wanted to demonstrate here that the sort of simplicity of how easy it can be to get started with this framework. So yeah, I'll stop there. If you have any questions, please DM me or comment. And yeah, we'll see you next time.